How compare and contrast techniques can improve our life. In our modern world, we frequently compare and contrast several things, facts, theories, events, or personalities. We have been comparing different economical, social, and political systems for ages. How we develop this process. How this technique is achieved and perfected. It can be achieved by comparison/contrast technique. One should show similarities in comparing several things, and one should point out the differences when contrasting. First step in the writing of comparison/contrast essay is the choosing of particular topic. However, do not try to choose incomparable things, the taste of lemon and the color of the wall, or the toughness of the ball. One should choose some events, figures and things that have many similarities. Once you have chosen the subject of comparison, you can start working on your compare/contrast essay. Second, you should enlist all things that you know about these subjects. After you have completed this process, try to identify differences and similarities. Third, try to develop the main point of your argument. For example, if you compare the cat with the dog, you should indicate differences and similarities by answering the following questions: what I have learned about these animals, how does the cat differ from the dog? Once you have answered these questions, you may develop your argument. It may look like the following: despite the fact that the cat and the dog are husbandry animals, nevertheless they have some similarities and some distinctions as well. Many students do not understand why this type of an essay is so frequently assigned to them. The answer lies in the fact that your tutor would like to teach you to develop your analytical and argumentative skills. That is why the compare/contrast essay is one of the most popular essays assigned at the colleges and universities. Compare and contrast essay is widely used in many other types of writing assignments. For example, one can use it in designing of the English essay. This type of an essay is assigned to test your abilities to express yourself in clear, lucid, and coherent language. Regardless of the topic of your essay, you should demonstrate your reader your ability to write on familiar and unfamiliar topics alike. Apart from this, you should clearly and unequivocally express your point of view on the subject you research, as well as provide some proposals on the possibilities to resolve some controversial issues of the subject. You might also answer such questions as advantages and disadvantages of the situation you research, as well as describe the problem you research, why it is important to resolve it, and what effective steps should be taken to eliminate it. You certainly may use some compare/contrast techniques in order to show differences and similarities between some points of the events, things, and personalities you research. Remember, however, that it is vital, almost indispensable for this type of assignment, to connect your paragraphs with logical and convincing sentences. Also, do not provide any facts unless they are backed up by some evidence.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.